Hey guys, welcome back to another Nvidia update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Nvidia. So far down 0.5%, sitting around 188. And we did have a big false breakout this morning, so definitely a lot of things to talk about. But before we get into it, guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Nvidia and Tesla every single day. I'll do about 10 posts for each. As you can see right here, I said Nvidia 1 hour when it was at 186. Now we're getting to the bottom side of the 1 hour SMI, suggesting I'm close to a short-term bottom. And just like that, we're almost at 188. So just things like that, I'll let you know key levels in the market, good times to buy when we're getting extended to one side or the other. Yeah, definitely a lot of good useful information. You can sign for free, or there's a $5 a month. So there's a free trial you can sign for, or it's $5 a month for a subscription. People really like it. But yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, we still are forming this pennant right here. We had two false breaks to the upside, a little false break to the downside that got quickly bought up. And guys, in my opinion, the fact that we got bought up really fast off this dip to the downside means that the bulls are there, the bulls are still alive. And if you look at the 4 hour SMI, you can see we are getting close to oversold territories, if you will, meaning that we have more room to the upside than to the downside. I did tell my members that I don't think we're going to get any lower than 184 if we do even see 184, because realistically, we can't just hold this bottom pennant, let that 4 hour SMI cool off as we let that daily 9 EMA to catch up to us. As you can see right now, it's like 185-ish. So we could definitely let that catch up to us around 186, bounce, and then head higher. But guys, since we are in this pennant, we are looking for either this break to the upside, retest, move higher, or break to the downside, retest, and move lower. These are the two things we're looking at right now since we are moving within this pennant. Before we talk about 195 or 184, 180, whatever, we have to break out of this pennant first. So that's the first thing I'm looking at. I'm definitely going to let my members know when we do break out. And guys, I do like to buy in on retest. So say we do break out here, it'll be around 188. We break out, I'm going to buy the retest sitting around 187. And this retest could take a few days, guys. You got to be patient. But if you just buy in on, and imagine you bought on this or you bought in on this, like you're just getting trapped, right? So buying in on retests just gives you a little bit. Like if you bought on this retest, you made some money. This retest, yeah, you wouldn't have made any money. But guys, you don't get burned as much when you buy all the way up here. So definitely something to take note of. But guys, overall, the way I see Nvidia moving forward is I do think the bulls are in control still. Right now, we're looking for a break to the upside or the downside of this pennant. And normally, because that 4 hour SMI is getting close to oversold territories, I would imagine we head into oversold territories, trick bulls before we head higher. But guys, that is what normally happens with the stock. But when Nvidia's in bull mode, which it's looking like it's getting pretty close to bull mode, then we don't really pay attention to these SMIs. Once we break out, we break out. So from all that, I would just watch for a breakout of this pennant. If we break to the upside with good volume, good confirmation holding 4 hours or maybe daily candles above this breakout, yeah, guys, we're probably in bull mode. But if we break to the downside, maybe retest 184 or hold 185, 186, whatever it is, as we let this 4 hour SMI cool down, then that will be a good time to buy, in my opinion. So no matter what, I do think if we break to the upside, we're going up. If we break to the downside, it's just for a retest to then go up. So no matter what, I do see the bulls cashing in here soon, but it's just whether we get that move back down to 184-ish first. But yeah, guys, that's about it. You can see that 1 hour SMI is at the bottom of the indicator, meaning that we should be getting a nice bounce. So this nice bounce could break us out of the pennant, or Nvidia could get extended to the downside, let that 4 hour SMI get to the downside as well. Wait for that 9 EMA to catch up to us. We bounce and head higher. So one of those two options. I do think Nvidia overall is bullish. That VIX is staying well below 15. I'm pretty sure we're at 15 right now, but there's nothing crazy. No crazy spikes near the 20s that we have to be worried about. So the bulls are definitely out of hiding. And yeah, guys, for the end of this month, for January, I do expect Nvidia to have a nice little rally. So yeah, guys, let's see how Nvidia reacts tomorrow, and I'll post another update tomorrow. So yeah, guys, peace.